Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Naina Sareen and you're watching the Reality Rundown. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines today. Rising prices of essential commodities in Guwahati are placing a heavy burden on residents amid an already inflated market. As of Friday morning, there has been a noticeable hike in prices of common grocery items such as mustard oil, lentils and chickpeas. Retailers attribute the increase to rising wholesale prices. Assam DGP Gyanendra Pratap Singh arrived in Kachutali, Sonapur to assess the situation following violent clashes between authorities and residents during an eviction drive. The conflict resulted in casualties and injuries. DGP Singh stated that the police firing was intended to control the crowd, which tragically led to the death of 2 locals. The Supreme Court granted bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the corruption case linked to the alleged excise policy scam. The court ruled that prolonged incarceration amounts to unjust deprivation of liberty following a decision resolved on September 5th after hearing arguments from both Kejriwal's and the CBI's legal teams. Protest in Mandi intensified over an illegal mosque issue, with Hindu organization rallying at Jail Road. The situation grew tense as demonstrators put up barriers, prompting police to use water cannons to disperse the crowd. This unrest follows the demolition of an unauthorized section of the mosque by members of the Muslim community who acted a day earlier to remove the structure from government land at Jail Road. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will travel to the United States next weekend for a 3-day visit to attend a quadrilateral security dialogue summit hosted by President Joe Biden. Prime Minister Modi is set to arrive on September 21st for the 4th in-person Quad Summit, where leaders from India, Australia and Japan will join President Biden. Latest lead: Rohan Masih, the main perpetrator of the suspected Chandigarh grenade blast case, has been arrested, according to a statement by Punjab Police on X. His arrest comes a day after the grenade attack on the home of a retired police officer in Sector 10. The police had previously apprehended another suspect, while the third accused remains at large. Following criticism from several Muslim organizations and political parties regarding the Waqf bill, an awareness campaign is now being launched. The Bharatiya Janata Party will work to educate the public about this bill and inform individuals connected to the Muslim community about its benefits. Additionally, the BJP has set a target of 3 lakh plus for its MPs. Tensions had erupted in Nagamangala following a communal clash during a Ganesha Idol immersion procession on Wednesday night. Police have arrested 56 individuals in connection with the violence. Prohibitory orders are in place throughout the town and parts of the Mysuru-Nagamangala highway, leading to the closure of educational institutions, shops and commercial establishments. Relief is on the horizon for Delhi and the NCR region as continuous rainfall subsides. The Meteorological Department has announced that the monsoon is expected to begin its retreat between September 19 and September 25th. This year's southwest monsoon brought substantial rainfall, leading to above-average precipitation in several states. Elon Musk, owner of X, criticized Australia's centre-left government as fascist, following the introduction of new legislation aimed at fining social media firms up to 5% of their global revenue for failing to curb misinformation. The proposed law mandates tech platforms to implement codes of conduct to prevent the spread of falsehoods, with a regulator enforcing standards and imposing fines for non-compliance. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.
हाय प्रियंका, कैसी है?
हाय, बस तू कैसी है?
मैं भी बढ़िया। क्या बात है, नई स्कूटी लेने का सोच रही है?
हाँ यार, नई स्कूटी लेनी है, लेकिन मंगलदुई में कहाँ लूँ, किस पे भरोसा करूँ, पता नहीं ना यार।
अरे क्यों, श्री साई मोटर्स है ना, यहाँ तुझे अच्छी स्कूटी तो मिलेगी ही, साथ ही में अच्छे ऑफर्स और अच्छी सर्विसेज भी मिलेंगी।
फिर तो मुझे आज ही जाके लेना चाहिए श्री साई मोटर्स से स्कूटी, और फिर हम लोग चलेंगे लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
क्या आप अपने नए 2 व्हीलर की तलाश में है तो आज ही आए मंगलदोई भिभार घाट के श्री साई मोटर्स में। यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे बेहतरीन ऑप्शंस, शानदार ऑफर्स और भरोसेमंद सर्विस। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें 9289922889 पर या 986495805 पर। श्री साई मोटर्स, आपके भरोसे का नाम।